One of our indicator na lagi nating ginagamit sa mga trades natin, no, is the RSI. RSI is the measurement of if the asset is overbought or oversold. Okay, so ito po ang ating RSI. So you can easily plot that through sa trading view, no? Just look for relative strength index. Yeah. And just click that, and kahit default okay na. Yeah. So once you have that in your chart, and so this RSI measures if yung asset na trade natin is on overbought or oversold. Overbought if pataas siya and umakyat siya sa 70 levels. So pag umakyat siya sa 70 levels, it means prone na siya for a reversal or a short pullback depending, no? And also, pag oversold naman is when it crosses below 30. Yan. So very simple lang ang paggamit. Of course, you need to make this as part of your confluence, not the sole basis of your entry. Okay, so paano nga ba siya ginagamit? So check natin to. We are at the daily time frame ng USD JPY. And here, we're looking at here. Yan. So this is just an example. It's going down. Yan. Nag-break siya ng levels going down, and then it went hard, no? Dito. And as you can see, 11 na lang RSI niya. Oversold talaga. And here, makikita nyo, nasa support level siya. So grabe yung bagsak niya, no? 160 to 140. And then it was rejected, no? Nagkaroon ng rejection dyan. It went back to 149. Okay? So that's how powerful it is, no? So bakit paano natin tatimingin yan? Of course, you need to look at other levels. So as you can see, 141 is a strong support level. May bounce siya dito, and if you are seeing this going down hard, and it's about to hit RSI oversold levels, yan. You need to anticipate. Yan, anticipate, and then you can make a decision if nakita nyo na it's near this area. So if it's near this area, then you can start plotting your buy zone. This is a quick bounce, no? So we are not really looking at the uh, reversal, not yet. We are just looking at a quick reversal sniper entry, no? May snipe lang tayo dyan. Mabilisan lang yan. And once you did that, yan, yung SL natin is below this level, itong candle dito, because that's our basis, no? Since it went down there. And our TP, yeah, we look for other support and resistance levels. Yeah, so it's gonna give us 1:3, and it's a really good risk to reward ratio. So panalo tayo dyan, no? So that's one usage of this RSI. You look for opportunities where it could possibly bounce, and also look for a potential reversal. All right. So ayan, umakyat siya, and then it went down. No? Kasi hindi pa tapos talaga. So we are just looking at, yeah. So we're looking at a quick sniper entry there. Yeah. So again, when it went up there, bumalik naman siya agad. But it did not break the SL ito. Yeah. So konti lang, no? Okay. Another use of this RSI is itong uh, tinatawag na divergence. Okay? So, we're just gonna use this same asset, USD JPY. And from here, we saw na this is on an oversold level, oversold. But this one, it went down further, no? Mas mababa itong level na to kesa dito. But look at this. The RSI is going up, okay? So that means the sellers are losing the pressure, no? The sellers are slowly getting overwhelmed by the buyers. So ganun lang yung explanation doon, no? So kaya siya bumagsak siya, uh, and bumalik din naman siya agad dito. Okay? So if you saw that, then there's a potential reversal. Potential, no? It's not 100%. So again, you can make a quick sniper entry there, and or you wait for confirmations. Okay? Confirmation is that need to have a break. Yan. Break siya. And then nag-break siya dito. Yan. And this is your entry. Yan. Break siya eh. And this is gonna give us 1 is to 4 risk to reward ratio. Okay? So again, this is not still 100% bullish, but you have a proper setup. Okay? So why that, no? Etong level na to, itong neckline na to, yeah. This is like a double bottom formation. Double bottom. And this is a reversal pattern. Okay? And this one is what we call neckline. Yeah. So neckline is because it's a resistance area. Okay? So how many times na pinush siya pataas pero binalikan niya. Yan. Bumagsak siya, bumalik siya doon, and then yun nga, tuluyan niya na siya nabasag. Yan. So this is a proper setup. So again, ang ang situation is that it's going down. The price keeps getting lower, but the RSI is losing momentum. No, it's going up. It's slightly going up. Hindi na siya pantay, no? Baliktad siya. So ganyan siya. Pababa itong price, paakyat naman itong RSI. So it's the same thing. Pag sa pataas naman tayo, no? Okay. So again, this area is our resistance, no? And with our RSI, ito, na-hit niya na pataas. So again, this is going up and this one is going down. Same thing, no? And you need to have a clean setup there. Look for support levels na pwede niyang basagin before you come in. All right, and that's it, guys, for our RSI on how you can use this to your trade. So hopefully you can it will help you sa mga entries mo, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.